Welcome to the FlowZone Instructional series. In this video, we will be changing out the QuickSwap adapter on your sprayer. Feel free to pause the video now to review the steps before we begin. For this video, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver and needle nose pliers. Out of the box, your sprayer will have a FlowZone battery holster installed under the battery cover. Using the Phillips head screwdriver, loosen the 4 screws securing the holster to the front cover. Next, flip the holster around so you can access the circuit board wires behind it. Using your fingers or the pliers, gently pinch the tabs on the metal connectors to disconnect them. You may need to slide the rubber protector down to pinch the tabs. Set the holster aside once it has been disconnected. Then, choose the QuickSwap adapter compatible with your batteries. The compatibility can be found on each adapter's label. The red wire goes into the positive terminal dictated by the plus sign. The black wire goes into the negative terminal dictated by the minus sign. Make sure to slide the rubber protector back into place if it was moved. Situate the QuickSwap adapter back into place by gently tucking the wires behind the front cover. Secure the adapter onto the sprayer using 4 screws. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about your sprayer, please reach out to our live support team. We are available Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern. You can email us at support@wessel.com or call us at 803-339-2500. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for product updates and other instructional content.